So a lot of people, you know, they do the cross their feet and all that, and you want them to uncross their feet and everything. But I use that for teaching them that it's not a spell. You know, people go, oh, I can move. I won't move because it'll hurt. Most of the time in hypnosis, I don't move. But it's not because I can't move, it's because I choose not to. You can have a fly flying around and you'll just say, I need to scratch that, you know, I need to do that. But you never get around to it, you know. But some people were really bothered by it, right? So pretend, can you walk across? Now I'll say super conscious. No, I know, I'm just talking to you. Now, you know, in hypnosis, there's no spell to break. You can't do anything. You can move in hypnosis if you choose. It feels good. So if in the session, because usually your body relaxes so much, it makes this bottom leg get kind of, this one's heavy, and then, you know. So if that happens, you can just choose to use them. 98.9% of them will just take the leg and move it right at that time. And I've managed to teach them something through it at that level. It's better, way better than saying, I want you to uncross your legs because it's not good. Right? And even if it was there, she would move it when it got heavy. And then, so don't be surprised. People will do all, if some people move a lot in hypnosis, they're not all like me, you know, like, oh, there. Some people will move. And if they scratch and all that kind of stuff, don't be too concerned. You know, and I know it's, when you're brand new, especially like you guys, you have so many different ways they react. And you just, that's it. Because the big thing is, for some of you that haven't trained through Jerry or me, is to know that relaxation is not hypnosis. Hypnosis is not relaxation. We create them and they blend, right? But if someone's having an ab reaction or something, they're very deep in hypnosis and they're not relaxed. So you have to get over that. That's the same. When you relax them and relax them, doesn't mean they're deep. People say, well, he was just like a noodle. He was falling off the chair. I said, yeah, he sounded like he was very relaxed, but you didn't know what level of hypnosis he was in. And that's why it's very important for you to know. Okay. Thanks.